that is Beauty, our sulfur crested cactus with the scientific name of Cacatua galereta. They can be found in Australia, New Guinea, and Indonesia. Now folks, sulfur crested cactus will lift their crest as an indication if they're happy or mad. And they will also spread their wings along with the crest as a form of panliligaw para sa mga babaeng kakatu. And it's also an act of discouraging other male to court female sulfur crested kakatu. And this morning, ipapakita po yan ni Beauty na Beauty Girl. Paano nga ba manligaw? Yung mga lalaki sa'yo, paano sila naliligaw? Ginagawa pag naliligaw, kaya na siya folks. There you go. Ganyan na po. Naliligaw yung mga lalaki ni Beauty. Pero, babae si Beauty, saan pa ba? Magpapakipo yan sa girl. Paano magpakipo sa mga boys? Paano mag-discourage? Sige daw, be. Ayan, gano'n. Palapakan po natin folks si Beauty. At syempre, as part of Beauty's enrichment, Cactus will look around in branches to exercise or to play around just to ease their boredom. Look at Gmar. Anong ginagawa ni Beauty pag siya ay napapagod? Ayun na siya folks. There you go. So, paikot-ikot lang. So, that is their natural behavior. They are doing that pag nababagot na sila or naboboard na sila. And lastly, just like any other kakadus, Beauty here also has a zygodactyl pin na ginagamit nila para mag-grab ng mga object. At syempre, ipapakita din yan ni Beauty na Beauty Girl. Show them your zygodactyl pin. At yan na folks. See it? There you go. Once again, that is zygodactyl pin in actions. To the front, to the back, allowing them to grab item. At syempre, yung paboritong sunflower seeds si Beauty. No, girl, thank you so much for showing us your natural behavior. Folks, palakpakan naman natin